Hi everybody and welcome to 3.1 Russian Navy Cruisers Northern Fleet. I'm Frederick Joseph. I'm going to be your instructor for this course, and in this video I'm going to take you through all of the highlights and the milestones that you'll need to achieve to finish it. So the duration of the course is here, 4th of October to 9th September, and we're going to scroll all the way down to the bottom right away and get right into the topics. So the course is broken down into two portions. These course activities would be your operational portions, so again those will be the milestones you need to achieve, what you're learning, what you're submitting. Personnel support and policies, that will be your admin part, and we'll get into all of these. So we'll start here, meet your instructor. And there's a video there, a 2-minute video or so on me. The course outline and the essential skills that you will learn. And we're going to get into all of this in a second. So once you've earned credit for this course, you will have done an assignment, class discussion, all your modules, and your final quiz. So there's an assignment due on the 9th of August. The assignment is a 1,000-word essay on both of these cruiser classes. There is going to be a class discussion commencing basically Sunday at midnight, and I'm going to pose 4 questions to the group. You will each answer 1, and you'll be required to answer 2 from your colleagues. Then your modules 1, 2, and 3. Your teaching points, and after each teaching point there's a quiz, and then finally your final quiz on the 9th of September. So we'll keep going. And here's your course schedule. When you do your assignment, it will have to be in accordance with APA 7, and that is all outlined here. So the references for the course. So all the references that you need are in the course on our Zotero page. So when you click on the Zotero page, all the references come up, and we'll show you in a couple of minutes how you will see them when you're clicking on them. Also video references, and these are all in the teaching points. How to write a compare and contrast essay, that is here is for your benefit as well. And we'll start with the first teaching point, getting started by identifying weapon systems and sensors. So in each teaching point, it will tell you why you need to learn it and what you're going to need to learn. So your learning objectives are here. Identify both classes of cruisers, the Kirov and the Slava. Interpret imagery from various sources, identify the positions of the search radars, fire control radars, etc., the roles of the offensive and defensive weapon suites, and the NATO reporting names for all of these items here. So down at the bottom, you have your written reference list and your video YouTube reference list. So these links here will take you directly to the Zotero page. So let's go to, and it will take you right to the item that you'll need to open. So Slava class guided missile cruiser, naval technology, we'll click on that. Zotero comes up, and there it is down at the bottom there. It will highlight it for you. And of course the YouTubes will open up in a YouTube window. TP2, more technical exploration of the offensive and defensive capabilities. Again, your learning objectives will be the technical aspects of the main missiles, technical aspects of the defensive systems, the purposes of these NATO code words, of these sensors. You'll be instructed on the mission profile of the SSN-15 ASW rocket. You'll be taught the concept of over-the-horizon targeting, taught the 4 roles of the K-2527 Helix. One of them is over the target horizon, which you will learn. And you'll be instructed on the ranges and warhead types of the offensive and defensive weapon suites. Again, here's your written reference list. We'll go to Russian air defense weapons, see where that takes us. And there it is right there. And there will be a test after each one of these. So here's a basic mission profile of the SSN-15. You'll learn how to explain this. So TP3, their roles within Russian Federation Navy maritime operations and their propulsion systems. You'll be taught about the concept of naval diplomacy, deterrence, power projection, and bastion defense, technical aspects of the various ship systems, sensors, and platforms, how a Russian task group differs from a U.S. Navy surface task group, sensors and weapons that combine to make up the ASUW, ASW, and AAW capabilities, the respective roles of these ships in worldwide Russian maritime operations, and the ship speed and the differences in the respective propulsion systems. Again, here's the list. We'll go to RAN, the Russian way of warfare. And there it is there. Again, there will be a quiz after this. It will be quiz number 3. So there's some course resources here for you. There's your Canvas LMS support. There's also your Zotero library, which we already saw. You can add to that. And if you want to do more research, you can. I recommend JSTOR or Journal Storage. It's a great place to research these vessels. And APA 7 formatting, which is the Purdue online writing lab. Everything is here in these links to help you write your 1,000-word essay in APA style. So my instructor or tutoring support and the IT support. So here I am here. Here's my name. Where you can contact me. My office hours, and basically I'm available to you anytime if there is some sort of emergency. We do a Microsoft Teams every Tuesday at 1300 or 0900 on the West Coast and 12 o'clock in the NCR and in Kingston. And here's our channel right here. Also, we have tutoring support services, which will be me or another CFSMI instructor or your unit training officer. So don't hesitate to ask for support. Now we'll get into more of the admin side. So we have member and family assistance services, as you well know in the CF. Here is all the details of that, and it also opens up into the website from right here. Medical and dental, and when you get to your unit, you'll become familiar with all of these items. Financial benefits and support, and CF morale and welfare services. Again, when you get to your unit, you'll find all about these, but they are here for your benefit on the course pages. And the big one, academic misconduct. You'll be expected to read this, abide by it, and sign a paper saying that you read it and you understand it. Then there's your image gallery at the very end. It has dozens of images here that will help you in your research when you're reading about things. There's some other items here that will help you see what things look like. For example, here is a helix on deck of one of the cruisers. Just click on it. It will come up in a separate window, and then you click on it again, and it will show you a place that you can save this image. So anywhere on your computer, you can save that. And that's about it for the operational admin support. There's a lot of items here. I'm not going to go through everything because it would take all day, but those are the basics, those are the highlights, and those are the milestones you'll be expected to achieve. So that's good enough for now. So have a good rest of the summer, everybody, and I'll see you all on the 4th of August. Have a great summer. Bye.